Hi everyone, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 4, Ledger. Exercise sum number 3. The following balances appeared in the books of Vinod on January 1, 2018. Assets are cash rupees 40,000, stock rupees 50,000, amount due from ROM rupees 20,000, machinery 40,000. Liabilities are amount due to Vijay rupees 10,000, pass the opening journal entry and post them to the Vinod's capital account. Okay, listen carefully. What is meant by opening entry? The opening entry is nothing but all the assets accounts are debited and all the liabilities and the capital accounts are credited, and which is passed in the beginning of each year, current year. So here Vinod's opening entries are given. From this we will prepare the Vinod's capital account on ledger. Listen, some assets account, some liabilities accounts are given here. Dated on 2018 January 1. So Vinod started business with some assets and some liabilities. So in journal entry we have to write on the heading in the books of Vinod, Mr. Vinod opening entry. The format of the journal entry is date particulars, LF, debit and credit rupees. So what is the assets of the Vinod? Vinod have the current assets are cash account debtor 40,000, stock account debtor 50,000, ROM account debtor 20,000, which means Vinod has credit sales. Credit sales means debtor. Debtor comes under asset account. So Vinod take ROM account as the current asset account. So ROM is our debtor rupees 20,000. Then machinery account debtor rupees 40,000. These are the current assets. Then come to liabilities and capital account. To Vijay's account rupees 10,000. Here Vijay is our creditor because Vinod made credit purchases with Vijay. So Vijay is our creditor. Then Vinod's capital account rupees 1,40,000. Okay. Then how do we get 1,40,000 capital? We have some small calculation. That is, we have to add all the current asset, which means rupees 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 20,000 plus 40,000. What we get? We will get 1,50,000. This is the total asset. This is which means current asset. Okay. From this, we have to subtract 10,000. That is liability. Vijay to Vijay 10,000. Subtracted from 1,50,000. What we get? We will get 1,40,000. This is Vinod's capital account. So what is the narration? Balance of assets and liabilities brought forwarded. Then we are going to post Vinod's capital account on the ledger. Okay. So come to ledger. So what account we have to open here? What is the name of the account? Vijay's capital account. We written it on the top middle. Okay. Then we go to credit side. Why we go to credit side? Because Vinod capital account is on credit side only. We go to credit side on ledger. What is the date? Dated on 2018 January 1 by sundry asset account 1,40,000. 1,40,000 is the Vinod's capital account. What is the opposite account from the Vinod's capital account? All the assets are the opposite account from the Vinod's capital account only. We have to write by sundry assets. Sundry assets means current asset account. Okay, 1,40,000. Then we have to total it on both the side. We have to total it on 1,40,000, 1,40,000 on debit and credit side. We both total it. Okay. Then what we do? We have to find which side has a lesser value. Of course, credit side has the lesser value because we didn't do any transaction here. We didn't do any posting here only. We come here and write 2018 January 31. Okay, this is the last day of the accounting period because we close the Vinod's capital only to balance carry down 1,40,000. This is the closing balance. Balance broad carry down means closing balance of the Vinod capital 1,40,000 entered. Then we take this 1,40,000 has to be brought it down to the opposite side and enter below the capital. What is the opposite side from the debit side? Credit side is the opposite side from the debit side. Okay, so we entered 1,40,000 dated on 2018 February 1. This is the opening accounting period only. We write it February 1. What is the next day after January 31? January 31 is the closing date. Okay, so February 1 is the opening date of the accounting period. By balance brought down means opening balance of the capital, Vinod's capital account. So Vinod's capital account posted, completed. If you have any doubt, please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.